Welcome back to the channel. So this is not my usual filming location, but I did get a new GoPro. It's gonna be the GoPro Hero 13. I also got the handler, which is like the grip. I usually use these two in combination to basically vlog for my car channel. So I had to upgrade because I got rid of my old one. I think I was using 11, so I went up 2 generations. So let's unbox this and see what's inside. So we unboxed the handler. It is pretty small, but I think that's pretty good because this is going to be like a mobile setup, so you don't want anything too bulky. This is the first accessory I have with the GoPro. I do have the media mod coming in, but it didn't come in yet, so I'll make a separate video for that one. Here's what people really were looking for in this video. This is the GoPro 13. Here are some of the features. So it has 3K 60 to 4K 120 and 13 times slow-mo and a bunch of other features. It's on Hyper Smooth 6.0, so it should be pretty stable. And then you have the GoPro app, which is how you kind of save your footage and also transfer it. And yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm hoping it's better than the 11 because the 11 died pretty easily. It did have good quality, but as with newer stuff, I'm hoping this has even better quality and it lasts longer in terms of battery life. So let's open it up right now. Usually I skip filming this part, but it came in this really weird egg carton type of box, so it's pretty cool. Apparently you have to update the camera before it can be used. That kind of sucks, but all right. Here's where we really want to focus. This is the GoPro Hero 13. If I can get this out of this egg carton. So here are the accessories that it comes with. It has this little mount, which is what you mount it to, just accessories with this screw right here. And then this is what, when you slide it onto like a helmet or something like that, it has 3M on the bottom so you can secure it. This is the charging cable, and this is the battery that it comes with. Looks pretty similar to my 11, although it is different right here, and the screen's a little bit bigger for the playback. And yeah, I don't think the batteries are in here. I'm not gonna try to turn it on, but here is the GoPro battery. It's pretty sleek. But yeah, this is what comes with the GoPro Hero 13. I did buy it on Amazon. If you're interested in purchasing it, I'll link it in the description below, and I'll also put it in the pinned comment. But hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.